thorough review of the law, it doesn't appear that you are eligible for a PR bond. If you bring me record in 2025 CR 009091, based upon my. All right. Have you all had a chance to confer?
Yes.
And did you get a chance to review the file?
Yes.
All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 009091, State versus Manisha Moore. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Melissa Alvin for the state.
Brian Bernard for the defendant.
And are you Manisha Moore?
Yes.
All right. The defendant has filed a motion requesting a bond. She was a no-show for court on September 11th. Defense, do you have any witnesses?
Yes, my client, Your Honor.
All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Monisha Moore,
Ms. Moore, how did you get out of jail?
PR bond.
When you was released from jail, did you communicate with the court about your next court date?
Yes, I called every day that week, and when I called someone, don't call no more. They send me a letter in the mail about my court day. I never got one.
So did you ever receive written notice to be in court on September the 11th?
No.
And you was, when did you become aware that you had missed your court date?
When I was arrested, when I was in jail in Travis County on the last Friday, not this Friday, but the Friday before.
And how long have you been in custody?
For like 9 days now.
And by being in custody, did it cause you to lose your job?
I'm about to lose my job. My supervisor said I have to Friday to come back.
Okay, thank you. Nothing further.
All right, any questions?
Did you give them your current address, ma'am?
Yeah, I gave them my address. I'm not gonna rush.
And is that where you returned back to when you
Yes.
got out on bond?
Yes.
Nothing further.
Oh. So, any objections to the court inquiring?
No.
So you said you were calling the court every day?
Yeah.
What court were you calling?
So the jail, I don't know, they gave me a number to call, and I gave them my case number, and they checked me to the court, and the lady told me don't call back no more. They'll send me a letter in the mail. I never got a letter in the mail.
All right, so did you call this court?
I don't even know. So when I called the jail or the courthouse, I gave them the case number. No, I don't.
The 187 court.
I don't even know what court I called.
Did you take the name of any person you spoke with?
No, but I can get a printout of my phone bill.
Oh, no, I'm just wondering.
Sure.
So state, what are you requesting?
$10,000, Your Honor.
All right, and is that based upon the fact that she did not appear?
That and the original. I saw that the original bond was $5,000.
All right. So would that change if she in fact called and said that she would send a letter? I mean, that she would receive a letter?
If she had called in,
If she had called the court and the court informed her that she would receive a letter. I don't know if this is true or not, but
Right.
would that change your opinion at all?
if she actively made an effort to try to find out, and we could verify that, then yes, I would feel like she was not entirely at fault for not showing up to court.
Okay. And here's the court's other question with regards to her finances.
Yeah.
Do you have any finances available to you? I'm sorry, any funds available to you?
I can get it from my mom, I guess.
No, I mean, do
How
you
much do you
personally, do you have any money in your bank account?
No, I only got $194 on my books.
Okay. And state, are there any other criminal offenses
That are pending?
that are pending, or what is her criminal history?
There are none that are pending with us other than this one.
Okay.
She does have a relatively lengthy criminal history. She has convictions or adjudications for bail jumping and failing to appear, driving with license invalid, failing to ID fugitive, theft with theft under 100 with the previous conviction, and 2 theft 100 750s and 2 theft 50 to 500s.
All right. Just one moment. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Counsel, I'll note that you have been present in court. Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
I need a 30-day reset on this case.
Your Honor, do you guys have afternoon dockets ever?
What date? All right, October 23rd. And we'll put that at 1:30, Ms. Ferguson.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, so with regards to the fact that she's previously jumped bail before, there are some new laws that are in place with regards to setting bonds when persons have previously jumped bond or absconded before while they were on bond. So I need to just do a little research. I'm aware of the law, and I believe I know what legally I'm supposed to do, but I just want to double check. All right. So it'll take me 2 minutes.
Oh, I'm like, oh, my job.
Oh, no. So here's the thing. You may end up losing your job anyway, based upon what the new bond law says because of the history of bond jumping before. So I just want to review something to make sure that I'm setting it appropriately. So just give me 2 minutes, okay? Oh, just have a seat. Case law that says otherwise, of course, I will review it, but there have been some changes in the law, all right? And because you have that prior bail jumping in your past, I don't get a chance to know what that's about. I don't know if it was just a missed court date and you showed up the next day. The court has to go by what's in the history. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to set your bond at $8,500.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Judge.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can make sure that she gets a reset form, please. State, on this bond matter, are there any no contact orders that you would like in place?
Just HEB, Your Honor, not anything with any specific individuals.
All right, Ms. Moore, also that will be added. You're not to have contact with HEB.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Or
Thank you.
excuse.
Once she signs the reset form.
Okay.
And that's where we leave it. The judge taking time to review the law before making a final decision. This hearing wasn't just about one missed date. It was about responsibility, credibility, and how the justice system balances fairness with public safety. On one hand, Moore insists she tried to follow up, calling the court every day. On the other, her vague answers, lack of proof, and prior record paint a troubling picture. The state sees her as a repeat risk. The judge faces the impossible balance: punish past mistakes or give one more chance. So what do you think? Was Moore failed by the system, or is she failing herself? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.